What's up, everybody? It's your friend Isaac. Welcome back to Big Bike BMX. Today, we're just going to go through some news that I saw last week, products that you may know about, maybe you don't know about them. Let's just take a look, see what's out in the bike shops around the world, shall we? Let's go. All right, so first up, Torker Racing 26-inch alloy wheel sets. They come in black or silver, and they're under $100 for a set of wheels that are in 26. These are actually fit hoops. We've talked about this before. Bill actually from Torker sent me a text about this, and I think there's a deal going on. Let's look. So here's the text that Bill sent me. What do friends do when they need a hand? They jump in and help. One of our friends has an overstock of 26-inch double wall sealed bearing wheels, perfect for any of the Torker 26-inch frame sets. And we need to give them a hand. So that's their friend. They got to give their friend a hand. So we have them on sale for only $99 a pair. But if you buy any Torker frame while supplies last, you get a silver wheel set for half price, a sealed bearing high flange double wall stainless steel wheel set for less than the cost of lacing one wheel. We have to be crazy, right? Well, when the deals are gone, the deals are gone. But until then, use this code: Friends Helping Friends. It's all one word: Friends Helping Friends. At checkout, make sure you have a 26-inch Torker frame and a silver wheel set in your cart, and boom, half off your wheels. Extra shipping for the wheels will be charged, obviously. Deal does not apply to black wheels. They are still at the low sale price of $99 a set. Remember, they have tubes, tires, free wheels to finish up your wheel sets as well over at Torker. So that's really cool, man. Let's get some of these wheels sold out because he's got an excess of them. We ride these bikes, y'all. Make sure you pick up a set. They are the fit hoops and sealed hubs. So very cool for under $100. It's ridiculous. So, all right, let's move on, shall we? All right, so now that I have the wheels, I needed a freewheel. I went over to RideOut Supply, grabbed the signature freewheel from them. I ride a 3616 on my 26s and my 29s. So I grabbed a 36 or a 16 tooth freewheel here. These, I've had a bunch of these. They're very loud. The drag isn't as, they're loud, but they don't have the same drag that some of the other freewheels have. Everyone, I'm going to read in the comments something about white freewheels, something about profile freewheels and all of that. And that's great. If that's what you're looking for, if you are someone that feels you have to have that, good for you. Love it for you. I don't. This is absolutely high engagement. And for $45.99, because it's on sale, can't really beat it. So my personal opinion, RideOut Supply makes a solid freewheel for a solid price, and they stand behind what they sell. So RideOut Supply has sticker kits available again, and not everybody knows about this. So I figured I would show you because this is something that was popular back in the 2020s, and now we're at 2025, and I figure I'll show you. You can absolutely change the look and feel of your bike if you hit up RideOut Supply, all one word.com. They make custom stickers for anything from, I mean, here you've got some Obama kit, a Changa, a Chonky, you've got SE, you've got the Ferg Redline from like 2019, I think it was, split kit, drip. They will do absolutely like flame kits, custom kits. Hit up RideOut Supply if you're looking to customize the look and feel of your bike. They are reflective stickers in some cases. So if you ride at night like we do here in Phoenix, it'll also help you be seen. But sure, if people remember, RideOut Supply has these, and they're a lot of fun to customize your bike, make them look cool. I remember seeing some people were doing like Simpsons themed bikes and things like that, and I was really into it, you know, back then. So go off, man. Have fun. Make your bikes look rad. All right. And then this is 20-inch news, you guys, but because I'm an old freestyler, I like this stuff and I think it's pretty cool. So I was like, man, I'll check it out. Wilkerson Airlines. It's just one word, Wilkerson Airlines. I just checked out this post. They are going to make 150 Wilkerson Airline Riot frame fork bash guards made by the same welder who's made every single Wilkerson Airline. I can't say that word. Wilkerson Airline Riot. So that's cool, man. I'm stoked to see that. Good for them. Here's just a video real quick of like some old timer just slaying, making bikes for us. Same dude, I assume same dude that was making them when we were like, you know, 20, 18. Now he's making them when we're 50. Good for you, Pop. appreciate what you're doing for BMX, man. I love this. Love the idea of it. It's so cool. So figured I'd show you, even though it's not big bike stuff. All right, so SE has dropped a couple of new complete previews. First of all, the one that got my attention right away, this is the purple OM Flyer. This is the unofficial Rosie Dayton signature frame. If anybody would have a signature frame that was a 26, that would be Rosie. She absolutely owns this, the 26 bike. She's ridden them more than anybody else. So super stoked to see Rosie's bike. It's not her bike, but it's her bike, if you know. Super stoked. I love the purple. I love the gum wall. And just a good looking bike. Todd did good, man. I would have liked to seen the captive seat on here though. Just not gonna lie. All right, the other cool bike that I saw, this one is the Savage Flyer. This is one that had the Iron Maiden kind of logo. They were teasing this. I like the gray hits. It does have the new captive seat. I like the flat black. I really think people could do a lot with this bike if you were just, hey, I'm just gonna spend like $100 grabbing some colored parts like a stem. You could easily add some color pop to this bike and make it sick, especially if you did one of these, like grab a sticker kit from RideOut Supply, change that from white to green, pink, red, yellow, whatever. You can grab some bolts, grab some of the Amy grips, some RideOut Supply or Evil alloy, you know, C-post clamps. Dude, you can do a lot with this, man. I like this bike a lot. Think you play with it. I can't tell if that is, I don't know the Shimano Q, if that is Q or if that is still going to be the Tektro shifter. I'm not really sure, but man, if you're looking for a geared bike, this is a 27.5 bike. It's a cool size, cool gearing. I'm just into it, man. Good job, Todd. Like that one. And then this is the other one. I've seen a lot of pictures of beach mode on this Big Ripper. This one looks really cool. I do like the bright colors. It's not really for me, but I'm attracted to it. I like the, you know, like the grips. It's very old school looking. It has the old school mushrooms. I mean, cool. It's just a cool looking bike. I think it's just a little too much going on for me personally, but man, if you're into that red, white, blue type of bike and that's what you're going for, they delivered this year. I really like it. There's Rosie on her well, on the OM Flyer. It's her signature bike, y'all. There's beach mode and Dick Cheeseburger. I'm really curious about this bike. I saw the gray with the red. I think that's what it is, man. My eyes are old, you guys. But there is a picture of Rosie and I think this is a HD Big Ripper, but there's a picture of Rosie and Damon's on a gray bike with red hoops. I think it's this one. Looks really, really cool, man. I want to see more about, I want to see that bike a little bit more. There's the Fast Ripper. Yep. Oh, there's a preview for that flat black. You can kind of see how that color looks. But man, I think you could do a lot with this. So, all right, that's it for the SE news, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for wheels, head over to Torker. Friends Helping Friends is the code. It's all uppercase. I don't know if it's case sensitive, but Friends Helping Friends is the code. Put that code in with some silver hoops if you're buying a Torker, and you'll get the hoops for half off. If not, man, they're only $99. So, I mean, that's usually what I pay for one hoop. So can't believe that deal. I bought some. Head over to RideOut Supply if you grab some wheels that aren't the cassette hoops or cassette hubs. These ones, I believe, are going to be a freewheel hub. So I bought the freewheel from RideOut Supply. My personal favorite, but man, tell me what your favorite is below. In that same price, you guys, I'm going to hear 1,000 people say profile, profile, profile. But I think those are like $100, man. What is your favorite in that sub $50 range? Tell me about it. I might be missing out on something, but RideOut Supply for me, since 2020 has been the go-to. And then check out the new SE stuff. Follow them. I don't get any news anymore to you guys from SE, so I'm just going to see the stuff. I may even just stop talking about it. If I get news from Todd, then I'll share it with you. But other than that, I just show you what you would already see on Facebook, so I'll probably just stop doing that. But if you're a brand and you want to get some information out, I don't charge for this stuff. I'm sponsored by Supercross, but they are cool with me sharing just BMX news. So if you've got a bike, a part, or something, you want to get some people hearing about it, let me know. I'm happy to share it. It doesn't cost me a thing to do it. So let me know. I'm just here to help everybody else find out what's going on around big BMX. So have fun, you guys. Do some rad stuff this week. Go ride your bikes. We'll see you soon.